Welcome to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for all you business professionals and tech enthusiasts out there. Introducing the brand new HP Essential Business Laptop for 2024. With a massive 17.3-inch HD display, a powerful AMD Ryzen 5 processor, and an array of impressive features, this laptop is designed to meet all your business needs and more. Stay tuned as we unbox, review, and test this incredible machine. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive review of the HP Essential Business Laptop 2024. With its powerful performance, expansive storage, and essential business tools, it's clear that HP has delivered a top-notch device for professionals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. See you in the next video. Today, we unbox and review the latest HP Essential Business Laptop for 2024. A powerhouse designed for professionals. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We have the laptop itself, a charger, some user manuals, and of course, the warranty information. HP has kept the packaging minimal yet efficient, ensuring everything you need is right here. Straight out of the box, the HP Essential Business Laptop looks sleek and professional. The 17.3-inch HD display is definitely the highlight here. The design is modern and sturdy, perfect for business environments. Let's power it on and check out the display. The 17.3-inch screen is bright and vibrant, perfect for multitasking and presentations. Whether you're working on a spreadsheet, editing a document, or watching a video, the HD display offers clear and sharp visuals. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U 6-core processor, capable of speeds up to 4.5 GHz, paired with 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB SSD. This laptop promises smooth performance and plenty of storage. Let's run a few applications and see how it handles. Running on Windows 11 Pro, the user experience is seamless and intuitive. Plus, with free lifetime Office 2021 included, you have all the essential tools right at your fingertips. From Word and Excel to PowerPoint, Office 2021 has everything you need for productivity. Connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6.4, faster internet speeds and multiple Type-C ports for versatile connections. Whether you're in the office or on the go, staying connected is easy with these features. Battery life is crucial for business laptops. The HP Essential Business Laptop offers impressive battery performance, ensuring you stay productive throughout the day. Let's test it out and see how long it lasts under different usage scenarios. We've tested this laptop in various real-world scenarios, and it performs exceptionally well. From office work to remote meetings, and even casual browsing. No matter where you are, this laptop delivers consistent and reliable performance. To sum it up, the HP Essential Business Laptop 2024 is a fantastic choice for professionals who need power, reliability, and essential business tools. With its impressive specs and features, it's definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.